Well, everybody, this is me again out here in my vehicle with my GoPro 7 with my SYNCO A1 or A2G2 wireless microphones. Seeing if you can hear the little fan I got going and it clips to my visor. That's the only reason I'm making this video, just to see if I can hear the manual fan on my visor. My camera is shaking like a scared dog, but also my window is down, so I'm checking to see if you can hear a lot of noise in the background, wind noise that is. And it's starting to rain a little bit, so I'll probably have to be raising the window up here before too long and all that mess. So let me go around the corner here and come back up the other side. I'm not going to go all the way down here by the toll road because invariably I'll catch a train down there just as soon as I get down there, and I can't turn around because I'll be stuck in traffic. So anyway, let me ease on down this oil field road here, oil field drive, whatever you want to call it. Come back up through the college area and come back to my house. Hope everybody's doing good today. As you can tell, it's a cloudy, cruddy looking day. It's getting close to 3 o'clock and we're supposed to get rain at 3 o'clock, so it's already sprinkling on my windshield. So more than likely it's going to be raining pretty hard here in the next few minutes. It may start before I even get back to the house here in about 5 minutes or so, but we'll soon find out. School zone. Oh, the police will be watching pretty close, I would imagine, and I hope they are, to protect the children, because these kids, all they got on their mind is having their face and nose stuck into their cell phone, and they're not paying attention to what's going on around them anyway. We're out of the school zone right now, approaching the traffic light up here by the college, that is. I don't think they got a school zone for the college. I believe it's still 30 mile an hour down through here. Whoopsie daisy, I caught a traffic light. Imagine that. If you turn right here in that building that this road dead ends into, if you could look through that building, you could see my house from right here where I'm sitting. That'd be due south to where I'm sitting right now. I'm headed, well, let's see, no. Yeah, due south. Yeah, it'd be due south. But I'm headed east right now. Oh, here we go. All righty. And I should have turned on my GPS so I could see how fast I'm driving, but I didn't. Anyway, I'll just wing it. I'll just wing it. Can you hear my fan in the background? I turned the fan more towards me, so hopefully you won't be able to hear it that much. I'm sure you can still hear it, but hopefully you won't be able to hear it where it's really just taking over my voice. But I'll find out when I get back home. Well, I'm sure glad I'm not turning left. Look at all them cars. Wow. Go up here and make a right on Aldine Westfield. Then back over to Richard Road and turn right again, and I'll be at my house on the left. Yeah, buddy. Anyway, I'm hoping this, I'm really liking these wireless microphones. Once you learn how to operate them correctly, they're really nice. They really work good. Earlier today, I thought I was going to have to send them back because the transmitter, I had turned it on so it would work in conjunction with the receiver that's plugged into my camera. But then when I looked down there, it wasn't lit up on the screen. So I bet I can look down there right now and it's not lit up either. So I'm hoping that I haven't been talking to myself for the last 5 or so minutes. We'll find out when I get home. Y'all can enjoy the rest of the ride back to the property, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, y'all. You know, hear my turn signal click, 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 clicking. Probably can't hear it now because of my motor. I rolled the window 3/4 the way back up, and I still got the fan going, so we shall see what it's doing. Incidentally, I put the snap mount back on here. I got real tired of using that deadgum screw to have to unscrew the camera from the mount that's on the dash. So I put the snap mount back on here, so it's just easy peasy now. And also I'll be checking the stabilization on here as well. So, anywho, up and away. That was our new neighbor, which has never introduced herself to me, but she did wave back to me though, coming out the gate. That's a good sign. That is a good sign. Okay, we are back at the house here. I wasn't going to call it the Ponderosa, but that would entail the whole property here. So it's not the Ponderosa. We don't call it Ponderosa. We call it Manisville, Texas, after the late owner, George Manos, who is my landlady's daddy. Okay, I'm turning it off right now, and I'll go in there and see how it sounds. In all regards to what I mentioned earlier, I thank you for watching, and for you that are here for the first time, I thank you for stopping by, and I encourage you to check out my channel, Totally Relaxed with an exclamation mark, 2 words, all capitals. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing. I need to get my subscriber count up for sure. So long, everybody. See you on the next video. Stay safe.